Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to rebuild 90, 91, 92 Toyota Corolla, Toyota Sprinter 4AFE distributor. So it's already been dismantled right now. I'm going to put it back together so the removal will be the opposite. So I have everything removed. That's the spinner. Now I'll show you the oil seal that needs to be installed into this. So you see here we got 10 millimeter inner diameter, 20 millimeter outer diameter. That's the thickness all in millimeters. So 10 by 20 by 6 millimeters. Here's the size of the O-ring. Pretty small. Okay. All right, so that's the bearing we're gonna drive in first. Take it out. So here's how small that is. Okay. So that should go into the shaft right here. Okay. So I'm gonna put some grease in it. In the inner lip. Now you can get, this is 6 millimeters thick, you can also get 5 millimeter, both works fine. I have built this distributor twice, so I have used 5 or 6, but the important thing is inner should be 10, outer should be 20 millimeters. There you go. And I'm going to install it flush. As you can see, I need to drive it in a little bit. Sometimes use your force. Yeah. You can just use your hand power. It's not useful. One of these circuits, so it will not deform the oil seal. Okay, that's it. Okay, oil seal is done. You can see it's already in. Get a light. You can see it's already gone in. Okay. All right. Next, I need to install the bearing. The bearing number is 6,200. Okay, just 6,200. The remaining letters D, D, U, C, M applies to the covering, the insulation, grease insulation. Okay. All you need is 6200. Okay. Again, see how small that is. Let me get you the specs on this bearing. Yeah, inner. Let me get it this way. So inner is 10 millimeters. Back to 0. Outer is 30 millimeters. Okay. Okay. Thickness, I think it's just common. 9 millimeters. Okay. Right, here you go. And you can see the shaft. This is where it was riding, right here. This segment from here to here. So I need to drive the bearing. Why is it not focusing? Okay. Now you might see a small groove right here. This is the old groove cut by the old oil seal. So I'm trying to get my oil seal lip somewhere here or here. Okay. All right, let's get that. Yeah, so now you have to press it a little bit hard. It has to go that far. The numbers, how far it has to go from here to here is 44.46 millimeters. From here to here, 44.46, okay? So from that end to this end, 44.46. If you wonder what the oil sealed depth is, from this shaft right here to the oil seal drive, oil seal edge is 34.2, okay? I'll get you those numbers right here that I've shown. Kind of recorded here in a small picture, right there. So that's the end of the shaft. So 44.6, that's the bearing. From shaft to the oil seal is 34.2, okay? And there's a small gap between the wheel, the tone ring to the bearing. That's 4.29 millimeters, okay? This is the oil bearing. Drive it in. See. .46, 42, 2 millimeters to go. Still 42. More to go. $43mm. Just one more. That should be good enough. Let's check. 0, 0. Got 43.1. I think that's probably what it gets in. Got 44.46 at the time of removal. It's a millimeter less. But it looks like it's pretty well seated. I'm gonna leave it there. Okay. $4.29. Let's check that gap. But I still need to drive about a millimeter. Oh, it's gonna be pretty tough. Let's do one shot. Yeah. Didn't move. Yeah. 43.5. So about a millimeter still. That should be fine. This is my third build. So here you go. All good. Cleaned axis. No dirt, nothing. Okay. I'm gonna put some grease on the shaft because it's gonna slide in. Okay, it's good. Now it goes in. See? There you go. It's all in. Spin smooth. See whether this is gonna catch in. It's gonna be pretty close. Think I need the millimeter. Think I need the millimeter, so it still has to go in 1 millimeter. This time 44. This gap is 4.83. Looks like it's pretty crucial. Let's do one more tap. $4.49. I think that's good enough. Raise 0, and then the depth 44.33. I think I'm gonna call it done. I'm gonna move forward, clean that shaft again. Another round of grease. Clean it again with another clean towel. Okay, let that be there. It is now the seal, fresh grease inside. There you go. Oh, that looks like good. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I'm gonna tap the bearing in a little bit. Don't damage the seal. Looks like it's flushed in. Yeah, that's it. It's done. And next, looks helpful. I need to install two of that. You see that? Right. Just 2-piece things. That and this. Okay. Goes in like that. With a GIS grade screwdriver. Okay, make sure it goes right in. No loose, nothing. See how clean it is? Then I need to lock the bearing in. So, nope. We'll do it this way. I don't know that you'll see that. Oh. Yeah, I need a magnet. Let me get you a close up. So here it is. Hope you can see. I'm flashing the light. You see that, right? Okay. That's one, need to tighten it. So here's the second piece right here. See, I kind of stripped the bolt while I was trying to use it. You gotta make sure you use ton of force. Then you turn, they have Loctite. See, that's how I do it. Hope you get it in the picture, and there you go. I'm not using Loctite. This is the third I have built, so far nothing has come loose. But put your force on and tighten. Really good, really good. Yeah, there you go. Now everything else is electronics. Here you go, that's that. That's this, okay? So when I took the electronics, I really didn't take away, disconnect all the wires. So everything is in one piece, just go right in. Okay, I'm gonna get the bottom pieces done first. Here's the whole electronic unit. Nothing to be worried. I didn't remove any of the wires, so it's actually very easy. All you gotta do is just separate these two from the clip, and then life is even easier. Okay, let's do a little bit cleaning. Who goes at the bottom? Okay, so this piece right here, what I'm holding. See the pickup coils, there's 1 and 2. This guy with this bended shaft goes to the bottom. That must be mounted first. And then you mount this. Okay, then you that, and then finally the coil. Okay? Okay. By the way, I want to highlight something. Don't play with this red tab. See that red tab? And there's another one on the other one too. See that red tab? Don't remove it, because inside that is a coil. Tiny wire with like maybe 1,000 windings. If you pull that out, I mean, we are done with this. Don't remove that, okay? Okay, so like I said, the one with the bent arm goes in first to the bottom. Okay. And then these screwdrivers are equal size, right? One is the adjuster with the ink, the other one is just to mount, okay? I'll show you how to adjust it. Come on. Because you're working with the magnet, so it's kind of tough. Then the mounting bolt. Ooh, come on, magnet. Oh, let's see a flat. They're working against a magnet, so it's pretty tough. These bolts are metallic, so this attracts to the magnet. Removal is so easy. So when you're removing, this is the last one you're going to remove in the electronic circuit. Okay. Now I'm going to adjust the air gap. Let's see if I can get this to the camera. The light, my camera comes up right there. You can see right where the light is flashing, Remember the red light, red square I was showing you? And that's what I was looking at. See there? That's the air gap. See, I keep the light there. Try to spin it. Ah, there you go. See that? The protrusion meeting these wheels right there. That gap should be, they say 0.2 millimeters to 0.4 millimeters. So here we go, the specifics. So what I'm trying to do is adjust this gap right here, the gap A right there. So it says 0.2 to 0.4. I'm going to keep it 0.3. Okay, so let's go get a 0.3 millimeter right here. So I'll slide it in, then do the adjustment right here. As you can see, let me try to get the light on. There you go. I hope you get to see that. Oh, that's a good shot. There you go. I want it 0.3. So let me go adjust it. I need both hands for that. So you keep the nut that tighten the whole mechanism quite snug, but not too tight. And then get the other one. There's already a small groove given, so you can put a screwdriver and do minor adjustments. Oh, there you go. That was so easy. Okay, let's get the 0.3 now. These are reluctance sensors, which means there's a magnetic field that's AC current generated as it passes through the point. Oh, yeah. That little bit too wide. That is too wide. Yeah, I think mine is good. Let's see, maybe a little too tight. I think it's pretty close. Let me get a clean shot right there. Do you see that gap? Right where the light is shining. That's a 0.3 millimeters right there. There you go, that's a good one. Okay, all right, so one is done. One more air gap adjustment, that's it. The bolts are tight, I'm not going to adjust it anymore. It's pretty tight. And now I need to get the next coil mounted. So it's a mess. If you like, you can remove the wires. I didn't go that far. think I'm gonna mount the igniter and the coil. That way, everything looks good. Let's get the coil mounted. These massive nuts, not really massive, for the coil. So coil is not going anywhere. Let's get the igniter mounted. Igniter has two identical bolts right there. So the removal is exactly opposite, okay? By the way, this distributor has only 77,000 miles, so times it by 1.6, maybe 120,000 kilometers. Oh yeah. Don't try to spin it until you mount this second pickup coil. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you, but then let's see that. So for the last coil, there are two nuts, okay? One is long, one is small. The long one is for the adjuster bolt, okay? See the one with the paint on? That's the long one. There goes that. Let's get the adjuster bolt in. Now I want to show you how we adjust this.